literally, oh my gosh, balancing on a water bottle. I don't know how this is happening. Hi, okay, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited for today. It's gonna be so fun. My room is the biggest mess ever, and it's January 2022. It's a brand new year. I did this video last year and it did really well, and you guys seem to really like it, so I figured why not do it again. I feel like it's the perfect way to start off a new year and even like a new month. Like I do this at the beginning of every month. I honestly do this low-key every single week, like every single Sunday I do this. It is a Sunday right now, so I figured start the week like this. But as you guys can tell by the title, today we're going to be deep cleaning, organizing, getting rid of things, and preparing for the new year. What better way to start off the new year with a fresh, clean, and organized bedroom? My room is like literally the biggest mess ever right now. I actually let it get like awful. Like I just lost control of it just so that I could film this video, so that I could really deep clean it. We're gonna make this room pristine. I actually think we'll start off this video with building a piece of furniture, because I got rid of my TV stand that was like back here, and there's a couple boxes right here. I went to IKEA yesterday, got a new piece of furniture to match the rest of my furniture. We're gonna put that together in the vlog today. So we honestly might start off with that because there's absolutely no stand for my TV right now. But yeah, I'm really excited. I hope that this inspires you to clean your room and prepare for the year. But yeah, throw this video on your phone, on your laptop, on your TV, and clean your room with me, and we can do it together. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get to the video. I hope that you guys enjoy. Be sure to subscribe and stick around, and follow my socials below if you'd like. And let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and take the sheets off my bed and throw them in the washer, and then we'll start with building the piece of furniture. Let's do it. Also, one more thing before we get into it, I wanted to show a little bit of an overview. This is like low-key embarrassing because I let my room get so gross, but here's what the before is. Oh my gosh, this is like, oh my, this is so bad. Literally at the floor. Guys, this has actually like been driving me crazy. I've been wanting to clean it so bad, but like I was like, you know what, don't, and the content will be way better because it's like really messy now. Okay, let's take the sheets off my bed. Yeah.
Hi.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna take a while, so I will update you guys when we have an update. Hey guys. The update is that I built it without giving y'all updates. Looks pretty good, I think. It's kind of small. Like, it's a lot smaller than I expected. So I hope it looks good. I think it'll look better though once I add like a mounted TV and like decorations on it. But yeah, let me show y'all. But I don't think it looks awful. I just think it's a lot like, I wish it was a little wider. Hi guys, so I just wanted to pause this video and talk to you guys a little bit about today's sponsor. I want to give a big shout out to Warby Parker for sponsoring today's video. Warby Parker was founded with a rebellious spirit and a lofty goal to create boutique quality eyewear at a revolutionary price point. Warby Parker is committed to providing exceptional vision care online and in stores, offering eyeglasses, sunglasses, eye exams, and contact lenses. Glasses start at $95, including prescription lenses. Try 5 pairs of glasses at home for free at warbyparker.com/Annabelle. It's super easy to get started with your free home try-on kit. All you have to do is take a super fast quiz that asks you what you like about your glasses, like the quality of the shape, the color, how the glasses fit, how they look on the face. So I'm gonna show you guys my home try-on kit. These are the glasses that I ordered and would like to try. So it comes in a little box like this. First thing is your home try-on handbook, and basically this is telling you how it works and how to send back your try-on kit, how to buy your favorite frames, everything like that. So this is the return label that I told you guys about. It's the prepaid one, so that's how you just like send it back without having to pay. It's literally amazing, so easy. But these are the glasses that I picked out. I'm so excited to show you guys. First one that we have here is the Amelia in Cognac Matte. And I wear contacts and glasses, so this is like so perfect. Like this is like, I need new glasses. Oh, wait, these are cute. I really like these. Okay. These are called the Amelia. I actually really love these. Wow. I want you guys to comment below which ones I try on is your favorite. These are kind of similar. This one is the Whalen Acorn Tortoise. I'll put them on the screen, like the name of them. Oh, I think I might like these better than the last. Oh, I like these. I like the shape a lot more, I think. Interesting. Yay. Now for number 3, this is the Felix in Sandalwood Matte. I'm so excited for this one. When I saw this one online, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to try it. I just like really love the color of it. I feel like I've never really seen glasses this color before. Okay, I actually really like these a lot. Sorry, there's like a glare. I really like these a lot. I feel like they look really natural with like my blonde hair. I feel like it just looks better than like the darker colors. This is number 3. Let me know below what you guys think. The next one is Carlton Medium in Crystal. I really like this one. This is like crystal. It's clear. I like that. It's different, I feel like. Okay, I definitely think my 2 favorites so far is this one, which is the crystal, and then the second one that I tried on, which was the Acorn Tortoise. We're not done yet. I have one more, and this one is very different. I saw this on the website and was like, I want to try something new. So this one is the Simon Narrow in Polished Gold. Here we are. I think they might be a little too narrow for my face, but I think we're onto something. I think they're kind of cute. So now I know the 2 that I really love, and now I can narrow it down to which one I love the most, and then just order that one, all because I did the home try-on kit. That was so easy. Be sure to try it yourself and try 5 pairs of glasses at home for free at warbyparker.com/Annabelle. All right, let's get back into the video. Okay, so I figured I would start with my bed first just because it's like the main viewpoint of the room. I'm not gonna put my bedding on it yet because it's not ready yet, but I'm gonna like take care of the stuff on it so that way I can like organize with putting more stuff on it, if that makes sense. Okay, so while the rest of my sheets finish, I'm gonna go ahead and start on my desk. I'm gonna organize, wipe down, go through the drawers. I'm also watching The Bachelor right now. Okay, so I'm gonna move over to this little shelving right here while everything else, the drawers need to dry. I'm gonna move y'all. You guys, that's why you wipe down like more than just once a year. There's so much dust. Okay, so next I have my nightstand, and I have these two drawers right here that I was gonna go through, but this one is my camera stuff, so I don't really think I need to go through it because there's like nothing that I'm gonna like need to get rid of. And then I literally just went through this drawer the other day, so this one doesn't need, like, neither of these need to be gone through. My melatonin, some tissues, my camera cover, and then a battery, and this can go in here. And then this is actually the book that I'm reading this month. It's The People We Meet on Vacation. I was literally reading it in September and lost it and then found it the other day. So I recommend, it's so good. I'm just gonna wipe down this nightstand and then move over to the other one. Okay guys, so now that I've kind of like gone through and like organized the surfaces, now I want to get into like the deep organizing. And the first thing I thought would be good to start off with is my closet. My closet is the biggest mess ever. It's so bad. It's a disaster. I have so many sweatshirts that are just taking up this giant thing right here, and like so many just pants that I haven't worn in forever, and like just too much stuff. So I want to go through things, and if I haven't worn it in the past like season, then I definitely want to donate it or sell it. I'm definitely going to be selling a lot of these clothes on Depop, so definitely go check that out. I will link that below for you guys to go see. And yeah, we're gonna go through this and chunk a lot of stuff and hopefully move my sweatshirts to this new storage unit over here. Guys, when I literally tell y'all that I took like a 3-hour break because I was finishing The Bachelor and then the national championship came on and I was watching that, that's what I did. But I want to show you guys what I did in between that time because my battery did die, so it was charging while I like was watching that. So yeah, I completely cleaned my closet and like kind of changed things around and like vacuumed, switched all this stuff up because these shirts were over here and all this was like over here, and like I switched everything down here and put my suitcase right there because it's like more accessible. And then over here I cleaned up all this stuff. I like vacuumed and got rid of like all the stuff that was on my couch. We're gonna go ahead and organize these drawers and use some of these drawer organizers from IKEA, and yeah. Okay, so I definitely want to use one of these for this drawer. It's like my socks and my shorts. emptied this drawer because I thought I was literally recording this whole time. So enjoy me organize it. Couple hours later and I'm finally done, you guys. I feel so put together. I don't even care like how long it took. I feel great. I'm ready to go to bed though. But yeah, it looks good. Just need to throw the sheets on the bed, and I'm getting a new TV. It looks awkward, but those are all the clothes in them. Oh my gosh, so many. Please go look at my Depop. And then yeah, it literally looks like I did nothing, but I did so much, and the drawers look great. Like, are you kidding? But yeah, that's it. I hope this motivated you to clean your room. I also vacuumed but didn't show it. Proof, it's right there. But yeah, I hope this motivated you to clean your room for the new year or just in general. Like I said earlier, throw it on the TV. It's so motivating to like watch someone clean their room and then you do it at the same time. I love doing that. But yeah, I love you guys. Be sure to subscribe. I hope we have the best year ever. I'm so excited for this year. So we're gonna kill it. I'm gonna be on my grind this year. I know something you guys don't, so subscribe, stick around, and I will be seeing you guys way more often this year. Love y'all.